New Jersey officials are growing frustrated with the ongoing mystery of hundreds of unexplained drone sightings across the state, with little information provided by federal agencies like the FBI and Homeland Security. Since mid-November 2024, commercial-grade drones, some up to 6 feet in diameter, have been reported hovering over various locations, including military bases and residential areas. The drones, often seen emitting eerie lights before disappearing, have raised concerns over public safety, privacy, and security. However, local officials say they are not receiving clear answers from federal agencies about the drone's origin or intent. Despite the FBI opening an investigation, officials, including Middletown Mayor Tony Perry, expressed frustration over the lack of transparency and concrete information. At a meeting with Homeland Security representatives, local mayors were told that while drone sightings have been confirmed in several counties, many drones avoid detection and lack identifiable tracking systems, making it difficult to follow or neutralize them. The FBI has not yet linked the drones to any specific individual or group, and it remains unclear whether they pose a threat. Local leaders, including Representative Jeff Van Drew, have speculated that foreign entities could be involved, though the Pentagon quickly dismissed claims of an Iranian mothership operating off the U.S. East Coast. As the mystery deepens, lawmakers like State Senator John Bramnick and Assemblywoman Dawn Fantasia have called for emergency measures to halt drone flights until more is known. Meanwhile, residents continue to share videos and photos of the drones online, fueling public unease. Governor Phil Murphy has urged federal authorities to take the lead, but the uncertainty surrounding the situation continues to frustrate local officials and residents alike.